Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It is Thursday the 20th, I believe, of May. I think it's the 20th. Nice to be doing a video again. I didn't. This is probably going to be my last video for a long time here. The reason why I'm doing this one is because this is super special. It's a package I'm looking forward to for many a month. This here is from the legendary Bobby Keys. Okay, and you're going to see, I took it out of the package because there was names and addresses on all that there, and there was no way. And I'm praying that this here came through the postage in one piece. I really am, because this is super fragile. Oh, you did! Hope he did! Right. Can you see this here? This is a 3D printed YALE key. It's, I think, now I could be wrong. I know Bobby's done one, I know that. It's the biggest 3D printed key in the world, I believe. If I'm wrong, please tell me in the comments below. Now, oh, I've no tape measure. No tape measure, boys. To give you an idea how big this thing is, I'm going to see if I can get like another key here. This is a master 5-pin key. Can you see how small that is compared to this thing here? Gives you an idea. Is I'm not nervous, I really am. That gives you an idea how small this key is compared to this thing here. And like Bobby just didn't do ups and downs, no, he done like a proper key. Oh, I can't believe it. And this engraved into this here. I can't believe it. I really cannot believe this. Bobby, this is going to have to be hung up somewhere. I don't know where it's going to be hung up. I got there, or something got there. This has got to take pride in place. I don't know where it's going to be hung up. Maybe there. Move that big lock out of the road. Because it's going to have to be moved. This big lock's going to have to be moved out of my road, and this put up here, because this is so special to me. And I can't believe it got out from all the way from America to here in one piece. I am absolutely in love with this thing, boys. Oh, this is absolutely incredible. To make something as big as this here, I'd love to know what the measurements of this thing is. And I have no tape measure here, and I'm not going to go into my sitting room and get it, because it takes about 30 seconds. I'll stuff it. I'm going to find out. I have to find out. I'm sorry, I have to find out. Hold on, back a wee second. Sorry about this. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm just that excited. Oh, I can't believe I got this. I've been looking forward to this for months. Oh my goodness, the sizes. It's 310 mil long. 31 centimeters long. Now, I wanna grab this from there to there, 31 centimeters. Now, I believe that's the biggest 3D printed key in the world. I know Bobby's got one, but this is, well, one off, shall we say. So I don't know why Bobby's as big as this or not, but I'm gonna say no. I'm just so happy with this, boys. Absolutely over the moon with this. That's gorgeous colour. Copper colour, the copper of a key. No, the man does everything perfect, boys. This is why people should be going to his site and buying stuff of him. The man is a perfectionist. Absolutely perfectionist. He could just done an ordinary plain simple one, no. Just an ordinary plain simple key, but no, it didn't. That wouldn't have suited him. Absolutely gorgeous. Probably this is going up my wall. The big lock's going down my road. And this is going here. Because there's nowhere else I can put it. And this lock is just, it's nice. But the key, much better. That is gorgeous, boys. I'm in love with this thing, boys. Absolutely. Anybody who knows me knows I love YALEs. And I like my master locks, but I love YALEs especially. I really love YALEs. And to get this here is just, it's a great honour. Oh boys, when I came in the post, I said to myself, it couldn't be that quick. You've no idea how happy I am inside here, boys. No idea. And I want to run around this room like a mad dog here, and just go, yeah, yeah. Right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in for the first time in I don't know many weeks. I don't care. A little bit, it'll be even longer again before I make another video. I'm doing oil painting at the moment. I've sort of gone out of lock picking. And a bunch of locks back there that I could show you, but I can't be bothered. I have no interest. And I have a bunch of videos on my phone that I could show up, but I can't be bothered. This thing here is worth breaking the ice for, because it's so special. So everybody, thank you very much for tuning in. You're going to see a bunch of videos coming up, but this here will be here because, and this will not be in until probably in the year, maybe longer. But this will eventually come up in my video. I'm not going away, by the way. I'm just taking a break. That's all it is, just taking a break. I want to do a bit of oil painting and get that out of my system, and then get back into this here again. So many locks, hundreds of and I'm not giving them away, and I'm not stepping away, no, going away completely. So, but I'm talking gibberish here. Not that there, boys. That is a work of art. Can everybody see that? Can everybody see that? This work of art here. Right, I'm sorry, I'm going on here, and because everything in my head is just going round in circles, I can't believe I've got here in one piece. Right, everybody, thank you very much. This is Thursday, May. I will see you whenever I see you again. You take care of yourselves, and be safe. Please be safe, and be well. Right, bye bye.